Alright, so now we're going to be removing the front right side view mirror. So once you take the door panel off, you have to follow this wire down to the module, and it splits into 3. You have to unplug them. And this clip remover tool, you could find it at or on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. So with this one, this tab right here, didn't really want to release it fully. So at the worst case, if you can't pop it off, you just have to pry it from the front of it. We're using a 10mm socket. Or just have somebody pull it on the other side. And just feed through the wires. So this is it. If you have basic model, you're not gonna have this sensor or this plug. This one has the cameras and everything.